Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set up boot menu on Lenovo Ideapad110-14ISK laptop and Windows installation process. After watching this video, you will must be expert on Windows installation. Okay, we need a Windows bootable pen drive for installation Windows. Then hold F10 and pressing F12 key. After displaying, you remove finger. Here you can see all the devices of the laptop. First one is hard drive, second legacy, and final one is EFI pen drive. We all make mistake here. When we install Windows, we can't do setup from boot menu. If your hard disk partition style is GPT, then you must select EFI and give Windows. And must be sure that EFI is set up in boot mode in BIOS. If your hard disk or SSD is new and UEFI is selected in the BIOS setup, and select EFI pen drive while installing Windows, then hard drive or SSD partition style will be auto GPT. Other hand, if your hard disk partition style is MBR, you must select legacy or normal pen drive before installing Windows. In this case, you must make sure that legacy is selected in boot mode option from BIOS setup. My hard disk partition style is MBR, so I will select normal pen drive. Enter. Here next, install now. I don't have product key. Select Windows. Next. Check mark. Accept and next. Windows installation. Here, if you have already backup data and you want to install Windows in C drive, just format that and install Windows. My hard drive have a problem, that's why all data already backup and I deleted all the drive. Then I will make partition. If you have face problem in your hard drive, you must backup data before delete all the drive. After deleting, I make partition. I create C drive and I will install. After installing Windows, I will create other drive, format that and install Windows. Remember one thing here, after the Windows file is expanded from the pen drive, the Windows installation process will start again from the pen drive if you don't detect the hard drive as fast boot priority in Windows setup. So always keep hard drive in fast boot priority, and if pen drive fast boot priority is given, then remove the pen drive from the computer after installing, after expanding the Windows file. So if you don't know which is fast boot priority, you just remove pen drive after restarting. Now I removed the pen drive after restarting and wait for next step. Here United States and next, US, next. Before installing Windows, disconnect the internet cable. It will take less time. I don't have internet. Click. Limited. Click. And put the username. Then next. No need to put password. After installing Windows, you will put it. Here you can do your purpose. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.